Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today, we'll discuss how to format a CSV in NetSuite Date. To ensure successful CSV imports into NetSuite, it's crucial to format date fields in your CSV file to match the date format specified in your NetSuite account preferences. Navigate to Home, Set Preferences in NetSuite. Under the General tab, find the Date Format option. You'll notice that the format is set to display the month first, followed by the day, and then the year in 4 digits. Let me now show you a sample sales order. Suppose I want to upload sales orders using a CSV file. You'll see that we have a few date fields included, all using the same date format as set in our preferences. Let's go ahead and move on to the CSV file. We'll take a look at how the data is structured and ensure it aligns with the required format for a successful upload. I have 2 lines here for comparison, one with the incorrect format and one with the correct format. In the date column, you'll notice that the second line follows our preferred format of month, date, and year. However, the first line is formatted as year, month, and then date, which does not align with our preferences. The same issue applies to the sales effective date. In the first line, it's formatted as day, month, and year, which doesn't match our preferred format. As for the promise date, although it uses the correct month, date, and year sequence, it only shows a 2-digit year instead of the required 4 digits. So, when preparing your CSV file, make sure all date fields are formatted according to your set preferences to ensure a smooth and successful import. And that wraps up this video. Thank you for watching.